we're going to do Let It Be. The general strumming pattern is going to be down, 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 up. So we'll do down, 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 up. That's our cue to switch to the next chord. Down, 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 up. Switch. Down, 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 up. Switch. The general pattern, sometimes I'm going to be throwing in some extra up strums here, and there are some pauses, but the general pattern is that down, 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 up. When I find myself in times of trouble, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, okay, let's fancy that up a little bit in a couple places. Instead of playing that F chord of that, we're instead going to pick F, E, D, C. Okay, so the F is that first finger on the first fret of E. Then pluck the open E. Second finger on the second fret of C. Pluck the open C. So that's. Okay. The place that's going to fit in is speaking